Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We are doing question number 27 from H.C. Verma Concepts of Physics 1 book, chapter number 2, Physics and Mathematics. According to the question, a rod of length L is placed along the x-axis between x is equal to 0 and x is equal to L. The linear density rho of the rod varies with the distance x from the origin as rho is equal to a plus bx. We have to find the SI units of A and B and also the mass of the rod in terms of A, B and L. In this question, we have given the density of the rod is equal to rho, which is equal to A plus bx. In the first part, we have to find the units of A and B. Now the unit of density is given mass per unit length. So therefore we can say that the unit of density is kg per meter in SI units. So SI unit of density is kg per meter. Now using the dimensional analysis, A and Bx will also have the same units as density. So therefore we can say that the unit of A would also be kg per meter and the unit of Bx is also kg per meter. Now हमने ये तो फाइंड कर लिया कि A की यूनिट क्या है, दैट इज़ kg पर मीटर. अब अगर मुझे B की यूनिट फाइंड करनी है, द यूनिट विल बी kg per meter and divide by the unit of x, because this x we will put below this. So therefore the unit of x is again meters. So therefore the unit of B would be kg per meter square. The SI unit, ये हमने दोनों SI unit निकाले. Now in the B part they are asking, we have to find the rod, mass of the rod in terms of A, B and L. Now let's say this is a rod, this is the rod. Let's make it a little uniform. It's a uniform rod. No, actually it's not a uniform rod, but let's make it a simple rod. Let's say this is the rod and it is placed from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to L. We have to find the mass of this rod. Suppose we take an element from initial point, let's say at a distance x, we take a small element dx of length dx and let us find the dm mass of this element. Now we know that mass is equal to density into length of the rod. जो इस portion की length है, that will be multiplied over here. Now it is given that density of the rod is rho and length is dx. So this is the mass of this small element. If we have to find the mass of the entire rod, then we will simply integrate this small mass and we can find the mass of the entire rod. So what would be the limits of this integration? We would integrate it from initial point, that is x is equal to 0, and the final point, that is x is equal to L, because x is equal to L is the length of the rod. So let us put the value of rho from here. Rho is equal to A plus bx into dx from 0 to, the integration of a constant is ax plus, it is a linear function, so therefore it will be x square, the integration would be x square by 2. The limits are from 0 to L. Putting the values, AL plus BL square by 2 minus, when we put the value 0 in both the terms, it will become 0 as 0 is multiplied by some constant values, so therefore this is 0. So finally the mass of the road would come out to be AL plus BL square by 2. Thank you.